Hey guys, Moss 50 here, coming with my final unboxing day for you guys for my Poundland pickups. First part we had Gnaw, then we had Bay of Blood, then we had Killjoy, then Heebie-Jeebies, then we had Halloween 3, now we got Jigsaw. Now I was drawn to this simply because of the name, and it's obviously blatantly trying to get some popularity off the Saw films, but whatever. Anyways, hopefully it'll be good. Could be shit. See what happens. It was only quid, so fuck it. It's the front. It's the back. Side. Let's try and open it. Get the plastic off, open it up, disc, and yeah. Okay guys, so that's quick unboxing of Jigsaw on DVD. See you on the next unboxing, no idea what it'll be. And also look out for my review from 31 Days of Horror for Halloween reviews. I have one tonight as well, so yeah, look out for that. That's Moss 50 signing out.